It sure was a beautiful morning. The sun came up glowing and glistening. And when the dawn broke, all the whistle birds woke. The whistle birds all woke up whistling. An unusually beautiful morning it was. Even the Grinch woke up whistling. His dog Max was amazed. He stared up from the floor. A whistling Grinch? Never happened before. Never before had this nasty old guy leapt out of his bed with a smile in his eye and whistled hello to the birds in the sky. Unbelievable. This was gooder than good. This was grander than grand. There was peace in his heart. There'd be peace in the land.
And a very good morning to you, Mr. Grinch. Oh, it is it? Well, it seems so. Sort of. I see nothing to whistle about. You must be out of your head, no doubt. I think the time has come for thee to repeat the Grinch's oath with me. Our Grinch is unhelpful, unfriendly, unkind, with ungracious thoughts in an unhealthy mind. A Grinch is uncheerful, uncouth, and unclean. Now say this together. I'm frightfully vain. My eyes are both shifty, my fingers are thrifty. My mouth will not smile, not half of an inch. I'm a Grinch. I am a Grinch. I'm a Grinch. That's my boy. Now go out and prove it. Prove it. Prove it. Prove it. Prove it. Prove I'm a Grinch. Ha! And a whistle to you.
Oh, the bees are busy buzzing in the beezleberry vine, while the beezleberry sweeten in the good old sunny shine. It's gonna be a sunny, buzzy beezleberry day, a day when cats put on fresh hats, when cats put on their picnic hats and go outside to play. leapfrogs are a-leapin', and they're leapin' mighty fine. And they're beepin' while they're leapin' in the good old sunny shine. It's gonna be a beepin', leapin', moo-moo of a day, a buzzy berry, Beasley berry, lulu of a day.
You get this crate out of my way.
I am tremendously so sorry, Mr. whatever your name is. I do seem to be blockerizing and obstructivating your mobility.
Obstructivating my mobility, willity.
However, Mr. Hooses, if you will be so kind as to hold my hot dog, that's a good fella. I will de-blockerize and de-obstructivate this roadway, allowing you to sally forth on your merry, merry way. I deeply deplore any inconvenientialities that I may have caused you, Mr. Greenface.
Greenface?
I thank you for your patience, and I wish you a felicitous resumption of your interrupted journey towards your ultimate destination on the...
Mr. Greenface?
Phew! Relax.
In this world of complexitous complication, in this world of peculiatous puzzleization, in this world of redunculous ruffianization, there comes a time for relax-ification. Your life's full of boulders, but shrug your shoulders, just shrug your shoulders. Relax. In this world of in this world of peculiar in this world
Having problems, Mr. Cat in the Hat? Come inside. I have something to show you. This, sir, is my acoustical anti-audial bleeper, otherwise known as my vacuum sound sweeper.
That's the darn thing that makes the sound sound stupid?
It sucks out of the air every noise, every sound, and gargles the sound waves for 50 miles round. Nifty little contraption, isn't it?
Zimplausible, zimpossible, zunreasonable, and unlawsable. Such things never happen in the middle of the day, and if they do, I ignore them, and they're bound to go away.
From now on, you will hear what I want you to hear. On again, off again, make the sound cough again. I am the boss of what everyone hears. The sound of your voice is the sound of my choice. I am the master of everyone's ears. With a flick of my thumb, with the greatest of ease, if I wish, I can stop all the buzzing of bees. And as for your lovebirds, I can't stand their chirping, so I just push my button, your lovebirds start burping. The sounds that you make are the sounds of my choice. I can make you sound better or make you sound worse. When your bull goes out wooing, there'll be no more mooing. When I wish to hear moos, I can hear them from yous.
Not for me.
I can puzzle the sound of what everyone hears. I'm the puzzle flub master of everyone's ears. Ha-ha! I'm the puzzle flub master of everyone's ears. Max! Max! Where are you, Max? Oh, no, Maxie Waxy, no hidey-widey from Grinchy Winchy. That cat, that Beezerberry cat, I snuggle his sound. Now I'll even do more. Take this up to my shop on the 39th floor. That cat's gonna suffer like never before. This is the legal gear, and as you know, it goes round and it makes the biggle gear go. And the biggle gear turns the elliptical scrux, which in turn is attached to the transittal crux, which rotates the flange of the salamander guts. And that decompresses the spatulate springs, which fluctuate round in the ramulus springs, which heats up the pongs as they heat up the pings, and that brings about the most horrible things. Max, do you know what a lighthouse is? A lighthouse makes light. So, just for a lark, I built me a dark house. A dark house makes dark. I just push a button up here in this place, and you can't see your mitten in front of your face.
Huh? What? What? I can't see my mitten in front of my face.
How you doing, kitty kitty? Are you feeling pretty good, Mr. Cat in the Hoot? Besides being boss of your ears and your sound, I can make gloom for 100 miles round.
Ooh, that Grinch. That Grinch. That psychopathic Grinch. Why is a Grinch? What makes him tick? Why is his Grinch brain sick, sick, sick? Oh, boy, if I had a psychiatrist's couch, I'd find out what's wrong with that Grinchy grouch.
That's a lot of rot.
Is there something in your family tree that causes Grinch delinquency?
Absolutely not.
As a boy, were you never a good Boy Scout? Did you ever eat too much sauerkraut? Did your school teacher say that you were a fool? Did you dive in an empty swimming pool?
Positively not.
Did you fight a lot with your older sisters? Did you suffer from poison ivy blisters? The shoes that you wore, were they too tight? Were you afraid to go out in the dark at night? Did some big bully steal your kite? Your teeth, was there something wrong with your bite? Or maybe your mother didn't treat
Mama?
you right?
Absolutely, positively, that's a lot of rot.
One of the most difficult patients I've ever had. I'm gonna have to make a house call. This is a bit more complicatitious than I thought.
That darkness is getting quite dull, don't you think? Let's liven things up with some persimmon pink.
Phew!
May I suggest the Sizzling Chef Special?
But I'm not hungry.
An excellent choice.
Here you are, sir. The delicious Sizzling Chef Special.
Watch this. I'll give 'em a double gadickle flummax deluxe. Oh, what a super dupe flummax deluxe. And now, I will give them a triple ring Fitzerunk Gunkel Geschlop with a marshmallow sauce and a cherry on top.
He has snuggled our light. He's guzzled our sound. He's bamboozled our lives. And a way must be found to cease him from splotzing his evil around. That Grinch. Deep inside his freaky freakness, there must be a soft spot. There must be a weakness. Despite the grim fact that he's depraved and deranged, I will find that soft spot. That Grinch can be changed. He hates cows. He hates cats. He hates frogs. He hates doves. Is there nobody he loves?
Absolutely not. That's a lot of rot.
Rowdy-dow. I've got it. I've got the Grinch psychologicalized. You, and you. Follow me, men and madam. We're going to ungrinch the Grinch.
How am I doing, old fellow? Magnificently.
Oh, soften your heart. Remember your mother. Everyone, even a Grinch, had a mother who taught him of love between one and another. Oh, remember your mother's warm arms as she held you. Remember your sweet mother's eyes, she adored you. Remember how hard mother worked to afford you. How she patted your cheeks while you sat on her knees. Oh, remember your wonderful Grinch mother, please. Wherever she's now, her eyes are still looking down at you. And wondering what's cooking deep down in your brain. Must you give her more pain? Please soften your heart. Make Mom happy
There, son. Everything's going to be all right.
Mama?
Yes, son. Now be a good boy and clean up your room.
Yes, Mama. Hand me a wrench, Max. We've got work to do.
Once again, it was a beautiful morning. Once again, the sun came up glitzling. And the whistle birds once more were whistling. This was gooder than good. This was grander than grand. There was peace in his heart. There'd be peace in the land.
And a very good morning to you, Mr. Grinch. Oh, it is it? I think the time has come for thee to repeat the Grinch's oath.